I'm going to do one more thing before this dries entirely. And it's important. It's still wet enough that I can do this. But after it begins to dry very much, you need to let it dry completely or you'll get these little backwashes, little puddle looking things. So anyway, I don't use brown. Well, how do I make the brown inside of Sunflower's face? I mix blue and orange. Blue and orange are complements. So what I do is I use this very dark Prussian blue and I sweep it. And you see it. Now this is very dangerous because even though only I've used cadmium deep has orange in it. So almost every color up here has orange. In fact, cadmium yellow light has a little bit of orange. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be very, very, very cautious about where this. I like this dark to seep into the paintings, into the flower some, but I like to control it. So the paper's kind of bent here and it wants to make it, water gets into ditches and it runs. Well, there's a little ditch here. So the water is running that direction and it's taking the color with it. So so I've added a little bit of dark for the center. And that's cadmium red light it's a red, but it's really a dark orange. So where this, see how you're seeing brown and be created by the natural mixture of this dark blue, which is Prussian blue, and that orange. So now I'm going to let it dry.